Hi, in this keynote I want to talk a little about our company itself. We at NEPATA are 10 people within a group of companies with a total of 35 people operating out of our headquarters north of Munich in the beautiful state of Bavaria in southern Germany. For over 10 years, NEPATA has been a leader in the converting industry by manufacturing high quality and accurate rewinders, slitters, and converting centers. When customers and companies invest in a NEPATA converting solution, they are provided the perfect solution for converting various types of films and media in bespoke German quality. Our systems have precision accuracy variance of less than 1 per mil, or a 10-meter roll that we rewind is between 10.01 or 9.99 meters long. So only less than 1 centimeters of variance in the length of a 10-meter roll, and of course corresponding to that also other lengths of rolls that we rewind. This accuracy is resulting in less waste, fewer short rolls, and less rejected rolls, fewer customer complaints, and this all adds up to more profit and more turnover you can make out of your purchasing volume of self-adhesive or pressure-sensitive vinyl. Our users also gain 50% in total productivity compared to other rewinders and slitters when running NEPATA equipment with Convert+2 converting control software that we also develop and code in-house at NEPATA for almost 10 years now. Our software allows for automatic label printing, including barcodes, for professional inventory control, reduction in shipping errors, and eliminating roll length errors. Customers have a choice when using Convert+2 to use a pick ticket system to scan orders that come to the machine, or use a direct ERP system import for even more efficient order processing, which eliminates picking and packing error and again increases turnover and profit. But our rewinders and slitters are not only much more efficient than other converting equipment. Investing in our equipment makes your operation safer and provides a better work environment for staff due to easier handling of material and error prevention features that are incorporated into our software solution, Convert+2, and also in our rewinding and slitting machines. When purchasing a NEPATA rewinder, slitter, or converting center, you can expect extremely fast loading and unloading of rolls, automatic tensioning and braking, and numerous software features that make converting material much easier to significantly increase your profits. As we are a small company, we are able to provide individual solutions for your problems and projects in your converting operation. We have a high level of experience in such projects, as we were able to distribute our equipment to over 25 countries in the past 10 years, and we have over 150 machines installed all over the world that we also service and maintain out of our headquarters in Germany. We're looking forward to receiving your inquiries, and thank you for watching today.